Hello everyone, this is Dr. Tamisha Denis with the Modern Smile, and we're gonna be doing 60-second dental answers. The first question I have is, should I use a water flosser? A water flosser basically uses the power of water to shoot between your teeth to remove buildup of food and anything that normally a floss would remove. It is not a replacement for brushing your teeth 2 minutes at a time, and also flossing your teeth daily as much as you can, twice a day to be precise. Now, the best way, or the people who need a water flosser the most are people who have braces or people who have crowns and bridges, things that get difficult to get underneath. But don't forget, even if you're using a water flosser, it's still just an accessory. The best way to remove food between your teeth is going to be brushing and flossing, but the water flosser is a great addition to your oral health care routine. I hope this helped. Bye-bye. 60 seconds with Dr. Dentist the Dentist. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Tamisha Denis with the Modern Smile, and we're doing 60 seconds with Dr. Denis the Dentist. Now, the first question I have is, what is a water flosser and what should I use it for? So some people